Yes, hello friends. Good afternoon to all of you. This is Shikha Katyal. Welcome to my channel, My Learning Academy. And today the topic is same, my subject verb agreement. Okay. The topic will be same. That is subject verb agreement. And that time I told you some parts are left. So I told you the remaining part I will make video next time. So this video is for that remaining part of subject verb agreement. Okay. So this is the remaining part of subject verb agreement. So last time we were studying about where we can use singular subject with singular verb and plural verb with plural subject. So we were studying most of the points I have explained that time. Only one point was left with exercise. So today we will do that only. Okay. Last time we were studying this each and every, how we will use each and every means means all, right? Every means all. It assumes ऐसा लगेगा that it is included in plural, that it means every, all, but it is grammatically it includes only in singular. Okay, this is singular word. Each means हर एक, each means हर एक. तो each and every means हर कोई, एवरी, एक एक पर्सन की बात की जा रही है, एक सिंगुलर पर्सन की बात की जा रही है. ईच एंड एवरी वन टू वन की बात के लिए आता है. यूज विथ सिंगुलर वर्ब, यहाँ पे सिंगुलर वर्ब ही यूज होता है. इफ वी विल टेक द फ्रेज ओनली ईच ऑफ द केक्स, सो वी विल नॉट सी दिस केक्स, वी विल सी ओनली ईच. to use how to use the verb. Most of the people get confused that here cakes is singular, plural, and so we have to use plural verb form. But of the cake is a prepositional phrase here. Okay. Of the cake is prepositional phrase here. Subject is each only. So each is counted in singular. So we will use has, singular helping verb. We will use has. Just like that, ing. Ing is here. Ing as a subject is used as infinitive. Gerund, called a gerund. Okay. This is playing. Play plus ing is here used as subject, not a verb. Play plus ing is not a verb here. It is a subject here and is singular. So we are using singular verb here. Okay. Just like this, singular nouns ending in s, जो noun होते हैं singular जिसमें s end होता है, जैसे न्यूज़, इकोनॉमिक्स, फिजिक्स, मैथमेटिक्स, ये सब सिंगुलर होते हैं. These all are singular. These all are ending with s, but do not get confused with these that these words are ended with s, so these are plural. No, these are only singular. So we use only singular helping verb with this. Okay. Phrases of time, money and weight also. The phrases of time and money means 7 years. Okay. $500. These are phrases of money and time. right? So these are counted as group. So one group means a singular one. Okay, so we will use is only with this, only is, right? Now coming to uncountable nouns. Here uncountable nouns are there. Uncountable means this happiness. Uncountable means that we cannot count. ठीक है, जो बहुत सारे नंबर में नहीं होते हैं, जो फीलिंग्स, काइंडनेस, इस तरह के एब्स्ट्रैक्ट होते हैं जिन्हें हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते, अनकाउंटेबल होते हैं वो. हैप्पीनेस वी कैन नॉट काउंट, ऑनेस्टी, इंफॉर्मेशन, दीज ऑल आर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, वी कैन नॉट काउंट देम. So these all are in singular nouns, singular subjects. Okay, that advice makes me nervous. So advice is a uncountable noun. advice को हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते. advice तो advice होती है, right? उसे हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं. So it is singular, so we are using singular verb with it. How we are using singular verb? We are using s with present verb, form of verb. Okay, s means it is present tense. Okay, now see the next. Next is one of. One of means one of is followed by plural noun. किससे? one of her friends. plural noun से follow में follow कर रहा है ये. one of जो है प्लूरल नाउन से फॉलो कर रहा है. प्लूरल नाउन फ्रेंड्स है. फ्रेंड्स मीन्स बहुत सारे फ्रेंड. फ्रेंड, दे आर नॉट सेइंग फ्रेंड, दे आर सेइंग फ्रेंड्स. एस दे आर एडिंग, they are adding s. Okay, friends, friends, they are adding s. So this s is making the word plural, right? You know that. So so one of, what they are saying, one of her friends, उसके बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स में से सिर्फ एक, one of, उनमें से उसके से बहुत सारे फ्रेंड में से सिर्फ एक फ्रेंड जो है loves to tango. तो ये अंडरस्टूड बात है. जो एक फ्रेंड है वो तो सिंगुलर हुआ, उसके लिए we will use only singular verb form. So we are using s. Okay, we are using s with the main form of verb. Okay, loves to tango. one of the reasons, so reason बहुत सारे हैं, there are many reasons, but one reason, what is the one reason of his difficulties is that he spends too much money, कि वो बहुत मनी खर्च करता है, spend करता है. Okay, so with one we are using is. Okay, next is the number of और अ नंबर ऑफ. कुछ भी हो सकता है. फ्रेज द नंबर ऑफ भी हो सकता है और अ नंबर ऑफ भी हो सकता है. सो द फ्रेज ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ, जो फ्रेज है द नंबर ऑफ, ये किसके साथ यूज़ होता है? प्लूरल नाउन के साथ यूज़ होता है. जैसा द नंबर ऑफ रीज़न विद द नंबर ऑफ, सो सेवरल यूज द नंबर ऑफ रीजन्स. जो रीज़न, जो इतने सारे रीज़न है, नंबर ऑफ रीज़न मीन्स बहुत सारे रीज़न है. इज़ ग्रोइंग मीन्स बहुत सारे रीज़न ग्रो कर रहे हैं, बहुत सारे रीज़न डेवलप हो रहे हैं. हाउएवर, सो इज़, वाई आर यूजिंग इज़ हेयर? बिकॉज वी आर सीइंग दैट द नंबर ऑफ रीजन्स. तो रीज़न हम तो ये देखते हैं ना, रीजन्स प्लूरल है, तो वाई आर यूजिंग इज़ हेयर? इज़ क्यों हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं? रीज़न तो प्लूरल हो गया तो हमें आर यूज़ करना चाहिए, राइट? बट दे आर यूजिंग इज़. नो, इट इज़ नॉट करेक्ट, बिकॉज we will see, not this, we will not say of reason, because this is prepositional phrase only. So we will see this, the number, the beginning of the beginning word of the sentence, the number of, the number is only singular, so we will use according to that is. Okay, we will use is, the singular verb, according to the first word, the number. Okay. However, with a number of meaning several, number of का means several होता है, बहुत सारे होते हैं. use a plural verb. A number of reasons are listed in the letter. So next is the last one, a title of a work or a word. A title of a work का title या word का title used to refer to the word itself. use किसके लिए किया जाता है? word के लिए ही use किया जाता है. वर्ड के लिए ही यूज़ किया जाता है. यूज़ अ सिंगुलर वर्ब इट्स, ये किसके लिए यूज़ किया जाता है? सिंगुलर वर्ब ही यूज़ किया जाता है सर विद अ टाइटल ऑफ अ वर्ब. कैसे? थॉट कैट्स वॉज एंटरटेनिंग. आई थॉट कैट्स वॉज एंटरटेनिंग. तो मैंने क्या सोचा? आई थॉट कैट्स वॉज एंटरटेनिंग. क्यों? बिकॉज कैट्स तो प्लूरल हो गया, तो वॉज इज सिंगुलर. वाई आर वी यूजिंग कैट्स and was? These are not correct. What they are saying, a title of a work or a word used to refer to the word itself. Use a singular verb with the title of the verb. जो टाइटल होता है cats, ये टाइटल है. वर्ड यूज टू रिफर टू द वर्ड इटसेल्फ. अपने वर्ड के लिए आई थॉट कैट्स वॉज एंटरटेनिंग. यूज अ सिंगुलर इवन इफ द टाइटल ऑफ और वर्ड इज प्लूरल इन फॉर्म. सिंगुलर ही, चाहे ये प्लूरल हो चाहे सिंगुलर हो, वर्ब इसके साथ सिंगुलर ही जाती है. इन हर स्टोरी, उसकी स्टोरी में द वर्ड आइक्स अपीयर्स 5 टाइम्स. तो जो वर्ड्स आइक्स हो गया ये भी प्लूरल है, बट यहाँ पे अपीयर्स आ रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स सिंगुलर. सो जो टाइटल वर्ड होता है दैट इज वेदर सिंगुलर और प्लूरल, वी यूज ऑलवेज सिंगुलर फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. ओके, is that clear to you? I hope whatever I am explaining, all this is clear to you. Now see, this was the last part of subject verb agreement. Coming to exercise now. Okay, we will do exercises for how much, for seeing how much we have studied and understood. चूज द करेक्ट वर्ब इन दीज सेंटेंसेस. करेक्ट वर्ब यूज करना है हमें सेंटेंस में. सॉली रन और रन्स टू द पार्क एवरी डे. सॉली में हम क्या यूज करेंगे? रन और रन्स. यू नो, वी यूज रन विथ प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट एंड रन्स बिकॉज एस इज एडेड, सो वी यूज रन्स विथ सिंगुलर. सो वी हैव टू डिसाइड नाउ दिस सब्जेक्ट इज सिंगुलर और प्लूरल, बिकॉज सॉली इज a singular noun, a person name, so that is of course singular. So what we will use here? Runs, the singular verb form. Okay, so we will use here this run. We will use here this run. Okay. Now the dogs, what is that? Plural or singular? Dogs means s is added here, so obviously this is plural. The dogs, बहुत सारे dog हैं. So with plural, we what type of verb we use? Plural verb form. Which one is plural verb form here? You know, write this. This is plural verb form, right? So this is plural verb form. Okay, bark. The dogs bark at strangers. Dogs strangers पर bark करते हैं. Now Ted and Mary. So Ted and Mary are two person here, two nouns here. So when two nouns are here, so this is plural subject. Two nouns are making plural subject, and we plural subject, what verb we use? We use plural verb. Which one is plural verb? Is or are? Which one? Which verb is plural? We know that are is plural and is singular. So which verb we use? Are. Right? Ted and Mary are going to the movies. दोनों मूवी के लिए जा रहे हैं. Now next is the game. The game is singular. Only one game is they are talking about only one game. Okay, so that is singular of course. And which verb we use in singular? Was and were. Which verb? we use was with singular and were with plural, right? So this one is correct. The game was exciting. Okay. Now next, they. So this is second um, pronoun. Okay. Second person pronoun, third person pronoun. Okay. So they is plural pronoun. They means बहुत सारे, कोई भी 3-4 पर्सन हो सकते हैं इसमें. दे में 2-3-4 कितने भी पर्सन हो सकते हैं इसमें. ओके, 2 or more persons. So they is in plural. So which verb we use here? Worry or worries? We use worries in with singular subject. Okay, we use worries with singular subject when we are adding ies with that, and only simple present form of verb we use with plural. So this one is correct. They worry too much. Okay, they worry too much. Now next is, this exercise is done. So come to next exercise. Now this is, here we have to use correct or incorrect. Decide if the sentence is correct or incorrect. Okay. First is, they have been waiting a long time. They have been waiting. So we have to see subject or verb agreement. They have used they and have. Both verbs are correct because plural and plural subject and plural verb. Okay, so this is correct. Now the pen or pencil are lost. पेन, एक की पेन है और द पेंसिल दोनों में से एक चीज है. और द पेंसिल है तो सिंगुलर ही ना, या तो पेन या फिर पेंसिल. और इज देयर, सो द पेन और द पेंसिल कोई एक. सो ओनली सिंगुलर, दिस वन, दिस सब्जेक्ट इज सिंगुलर. सो दे हैव यूज्ड आर with this is wrong. This subject is singular and verb is plural, so this is not agreed. Okay, this is wrong. Next is someone don't understand. Now see here, someone, I have told you in previous picture, this is, someone is indefinite pronoun, right? I told you that someone is indefinite pronoun and is singular. One more time I can show you here. See, this is indefinite pronoun. Someday, somebody. Right? So everybody, somebody, someday, someone, someone. So these are indefinite pronoun. What they are saying, remember to add an s to the end of the verb. Verb में s end करना होता है इसमें in the present tense if the subject is one of the indefinite pronoun. इनमें से कोई एक सब्जेक्ट होता है तो वर्ब के लास्ट में s ऐड करना, बिकॉज दिस इज सिंगुलर. This is this indefinite pronoun are counted in singular subject. Okay, so we have to add s. So this is singular. So what we are studying here, someone don't understand. They are not using here s or es. They are not using here, simple they have put it here, someone don't. So this is wrong obviously. Okay, this is wrong. Those have been cheaper in the past. Those to those is the plural form of that. Okay, so has a singular verb form. This is wrong obviously. Okay, now Randy and Joan like sports. Randy and Joan are two person, so make it plural subject. Two person make it make the plural subject, and like we use like simple present form with plural subject only. So this sentence is correct. Okay. So yeah, we all done. This is it. Subject verb agreement is finished here with exercise. I hope you have understood the topic properly, clearly. There is no doubt with this topic. If still you have doubt with this topic, with any this matter, so you can ask me. Feel free to comment me. Okay, give me feedback. If you like this explanation properly, please like it and subscribe the channel. Do not forget to subscribe it if you have not visited yet. And thank you for giving me your time, precious time. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.